Hey guys, it's been 5 days that iOS 17.3 is out. I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying the performance. I'm really enjoying the battery life. I'm also getting a lot of questions from your side that are you facing battery draining issues? Are you facing other battery issues or not? Let us know. So this video is going to cover all of those your questions. I'm going to show you my battery stats. I'm going to talk about a bit of those stats, which is going to definitely answer all of your questions. So if you're any person that is having battery life issue on the iOS 17.3 or iOS 17.2, 2.1, any version, or you are afraid that if you get updated to the iOS 17, your battery might get decrease in battery life, this video is all about you. Well, battery life on the 17.3 is definitely really good. It is not, I cannot say that it is improved. It is basically same. For me, I was not getting any issues on the 17.2.1, but many people were getting battery draining issues. I did couple of videos in which I talk about that how you can avoid all those battery draining issues. You can go and check on my channel, so make sure to subscribe too. Well, now let's go to the setting and let's see how the battery is working for me, as it's been now 5 days that iOS 17.3 is out. So let's go to the settings, then go to the battery stats over here. Let the battery stats load. Last 10 days. Okay, so I will start with the very first day. Okay, I will start with the second day of the iOS 17.3. It was Wednesday. I used my phone around 80%, as you can see according to the graph, and I got screen on time of 7 hours and 20 minutes, which is definitely quite decent for the 80% of use of battery. So talking about which apps I used on that day, I was using Instagram continuously. I was on Google Photos, then X, WhatsApp, Snapchat, a bit of a YouTube, and these were some of the other applications which I used on that day. Now moving to the next day over here, as you can see, I used around 85% of my battery almost, and I got around 7 hours and 47 minute screen on time. Now let's see what applications I was using. So I was quite active on YouTube. I was quite active on Snapchat, Instagram, X, WhatsApp, TikTok, and this is how everything was working. Again, it's a decent battery life, I can say. On this day, I also updated all my applications. So App Store took around, I don't know, I think around 30 minutes to update around 50 applications or more than 50 applications. So that also consumed a bit of a battery, but again 85% battery gave me around 7 hours and 47 minutes of screen on time. I can easily say this is quite very good. Now if you are thinking that how I am getting this amazing battery life on my iPhone, I did a video about this. I talk about the settings that you can turn off to get best battery life. I talk about many different tips and tricks. You can go and check out my channel for those videos. Now moving to the next day, that was Friday, and over here as you can see, I used around 50% of my phone. I wasn't active much on this day, and I got screen on time of 4 hours and 7 minutes. And if I show you that what applications I used, again I was quite active on Instagram, Netflix, WhatsApp, YouTube, and I think I installed any game and then deleted that. Maybe that happened, but these were some of the applications I was using. So according to these applications, I can easily conclude that I'm getting really good battery life on the iOS 17.3. Also, battery life depends upon how you charge your phone, how you use your phone, what's your battery health. These are the things that on which your battery life depend. So if you have any question, if you have any query about your battery life, if you're facing any issue, let me know in the comment section below. I'm here to solve your problems. And yeah, that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.